Come on, come on, come on. Yes, I won! 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Are you serious? I said I won, not the number 1. 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. I can't wait till I go to college. Hey, Mom! I need help with my math homework. What's 3 minus 2? No, Mom, don't answer! Tommy, what's the big deal? Your brother needs help with his math homework. The answer is 1. 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Oh my goodness, what a cute little song. Look at my little Justin Bieber. I want to sing it too. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.